Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Outlook PST file on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load in all your emails and ensure that your PST files are active and accessible. Once everything has loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to move forward with locating your PST file. Now direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Look for the File tab in the upper left corner and click on it. This will open your File menu, which contains various settings and options for managing your Outlook account and data. Once your File menu has opened, look at the right side of the screen. You'll notice an Account Settings option with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this drop-down to reveal additional options. From the list that appears, you'll see Account Settings listed again. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new Account Settings window that gives you access to your email accounts, data files, and other important configurations. In the Account Settings window that just appeared, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Data Files tab to view all of your Outlook data files. This is where Outlook stores information about all the PST files associated with your account. You'll see a list displayed with the names and locations of each data file currently being used by Outlook. From this list, locate the specific PST file you're looking for. It might be labeled with your email address or a custom name you've set up previously. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. After selecting the file, look at the header section of the window where you'll find several buttons. Click on the Open File Location button. This action will immediately open File Explorer and take you directly to the folder where your PST file is stored on your computer. Now you can see exactly where your Outlook data is saved and access it whenever you need to back it up or manage it. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Outlook PST file on Windows 11 or 10. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.